Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Myself SS Raite from KTHM College, Nasik, Department of Commerce. In previous lecture, we have completed the unit number 3, Electronic Payment System. Now today we are going to start unit number 4, Introduction to M-Commerce. In this chapter, first we will see the topic Introduction to M-Commerce, definition and application of M-Commerce. This is a lecture number 1. So let us start. First, we will see the introduction of M-Commerce. Mobile commerce, also known as M-Commerce, is the use of wireless handheld device like telephone and tablet to conduct the commercial transaction online, include the purchase and sale of product, online banking and paying bill. It does not require the user to sit at the computer that is plugged in and perform the commercial transaction. Through M-Commerce, people can perform several functions such that pay bill, buy and sell goods and services, access email, book movie ticket, make a railway reservation, order books, read and watch the news, etc. So students, the simplest way to describe mobile commerce will be the buying and selling of a product or the conduct of commercial transaction and activities through telecommunication and other mobile devices that run or operate on wireless network technology. And it is safe to say that M-Commerce is an ungraded version of e-commerce. In fact, M-Commerce has been defined as the conduct of e-commerce activities using mobile or cellular devices. Okay. Next is definition of M-Commerce. M-Commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphone and tablet. Another definition, M-Commerce is any electronic transaction or information interaction conducted using a mobile device and mobile network. So students, M-Commerce implies the use of mobile devices. So people can do their business transaction anywhere they go as long as they can access the internet on their smartphone and can perform the transaction with just a few taps on the screen. So this is definition of M-Commerce. Next is application of M-Commerce. M-Commerce have so many applications. Let us take a look at a few examples. First is mobile banking. Mobile banking is an electronic medium of managing and making bank transaction through a mobile device, which is very popular nowadays, such as net banking, by which customer has a bank account in a respective bank, can handle their bank account as well as can view his or her banking details for which bank use their apps for mobile banking. For example, State Bank of India has a YONO app for their net banking function. Second application is mobile shopping. Mobile shopping is nothing but what we call online shopping in general term, that is purchase made through various applications online such as purchase of the book from Amazon or a purchase of a bottle from Flipkart is a term as mobile shopping. Next is mobile payment. Online transaction payments such as buying railway ticket, movie ticket, bill payment through mobile phone by way of various gateway and applications such as PhonePe, Google Pay is known as mobile payment. Okay. And next is mobile advertising. Mobile advertising is a way of advertising through SMS, mobile web poster, push-up notification. Companies use this service to promote their product and services by giving their ad in between the content generally searched by the user, so that if there is any user who has a plan of purchasing their category of product will review their product and their sale will rise. So this is important applications of m-commerce. Okay, and m-commerce can be categorized by the function as mobile shopping, mobile banking or mobile payment. Okay. So students, today we have seen the introduction of m-commerce, its definition and applications of m-commerce. Very simple, put m-commerce entail the e-commerce transaction done with a mobile phone. So m-commerce is the use of mobile phone to conduct any type of business transaction. M-commerce is actually a rapidly growing sector of e-commerce. Nearly 70% of online transactions that occur in India happen from mobile phone. Okay. So today's session is over. Thank you.